what's poppin'? It's your girl Karla back with another video, and here we have Angie, and we're gonna make some slime while doing the best friend tag. So let's get into the video.
For slime, we're gonna make regular slime and fluffy slime. So we'll just start off by putting the glue inside the mixing bowl for the regular slime. Oh my god, the smell.
How and when did we meet?
Okay, so basically our parents went to like these what were they, like classes, I guess. They were kind of like teaching, they were talking about like parenting and stuff like that, and so they had a separate class for the kids, and there was only a few older kids, and it was that's when I met her. She was like one of the only people that were like actually in my grade level. So yeah, we met through our parents basically. Oh, it was 5th or 6th grade. It was early middle school, we'll say that.
That was a long time ago.
Yeah.
And now we're seniors, so like
Yeah, we've been friends
for a long time.
like what, almost 8 years.
Yes, and our parents are like best friends.
Literally.
What was your first impression of me?
I remember I thought she lied to me about her age.
Yeah, she was quizzing me on like, oh, what subject are you on in school and stuff. I'm like, girl.
Cause I was like, I did not believe we were in the same grade. Like, keep in mind, like Karla looks so young. So like in my head, I was like, this girl's in like 3rd grade and she's lying to me that she's in like 6th. So I literally made a whole test to see if
She was quizzing me that whole time.
Yeah, I literally quizzed her to make sure that she was actually like my age. So yeah, that was my first impression. I thought you were lying to me.
My first impression, I don't remember. I don't know. I didn't think of anything.
It's the only first impression I remember. I don't even remember like.
I probably just thought like, why is this girl quizzing me? Like, why does she think I'm lying for?
Yeah, and then like after that, we like just called a lot, and we gave each other our parents' phone numbers. So I remember this so clearly. I called and asked your mom to talk to you. I remember that.
I remember that.
Yeah, I was sitting in the guest room and I was like, "Mommy, can I have the phone?" And then I called your mom, who didn't know who I was. And I was like, "Oh, I'm her friend. Like, can I talk to her?"
No, I remember when they were coming out of the class, like we ran up to them. And we were like, oh my gosh, she's Dominican, this and this and that.
Yeah, but before that I called you and they were like, "Oh, you made a friend?" Yeah. And then I think it was like the next time that they met, or like their class.
Oh, I don't remember that at all.
Really?
Mm-mm.
I do. I was terrified.
What's your favorite memory together?
They went to Disney together.
Yeah, we were arguing that whole trip.
Yeah. No, it was at the end. I think we were just all tired.
Yeah. Now I think back on, we argued about the stupidest crap.
I know.
I think that, or like the days that we literally, like days after Christmas or like after New Year's, every year we would just sit and play video games.
Yes.
And like that was like one of the best memories, to be honest.
Oh, I love those.
Yeah, because we literally just sat there for so many years playing.
And I remember my mom was like, oh, it's time to go. And then we didn't even finish the game. I was like, hold up.
Yeah, we were like, hold up, wait a minute. Okay.
You thought that I was finished?
Describe each other in one word.
Spontaneous.
I think
I
you're
know,
caring. You're very caring.
I think your word would be motivated. Because you're always like, the stuff that you actually like want to do, you always like make an effort. You know what I mean? Like you always like actually do it. Like you're not like how most people are like, oh, I want to do this, but then they don't actually put in the effort to do it, you know?
You're very caring.
Thank
You like, yeah. You ask a lot of like caring questions, like, oh, how you been and stuff.
How have you been? That's a good question.
No, because people don't care about how you've been.
Yeah, I tried.
Yeah. You always check up and stuff. So I like that.
Yeah, I'll try, but sometimes I'll be distracted as heck.
What's my shoe size?
Oh, we should guess each other's.
Oh, I know yours. You're like an 8 or 9.
Yeah. Oh, you're 8.5, so yeah.
Yeah.
That counts. You're a...
Yeah. Oh.
A 6?
No.
Smaller?
Yes.
4?
Yes.
A 4? No. You're gonna put a spoonful of wax
Yep.
into a cup of water.
What's 3 things I carry around?
Your keys, your car keys.
Mm-hmm.
They're always with you.
That
Your string backpack. You normally always have some type of like bag or like a string backpack. I don't know what they're called, but you know what I'm trying to say. Some type of hair tie or like bracelet or something around your wrist.
Okay.
Oh well.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll be pouring it and you can mix it. You guys, we're gonna put a little bit of borax at a time into the glue with the food coloring and stuff. A little bit at a time.
Wow!
Is it working?
I think it's slime enough.
No, because you see how it's sticking to the sides?
Oh, yeah.
We messed up the slime.
We mess up everything. Ooh. Put your hand in it. Does it feel like
Oh
slime?
no, it is definitely not ready. This is definitely not ready.
Ready? Yeah. Pick up and kill it and kill it and kill it. It's slime.
What's my favorite food?
What's your favorite food? You have a favorite food. I don't have a favorite food. What is it? Like Dominican?
It's really easy to guess.
Pizza.
Yes. I love pizza. Like, I'm literally obsessed. That and chicken wings. Okay.
What's my favorite food? I don't really have a favorite food, but if you say a food that I like, then I'll give it to you.
Salami.
Well, duh.
Mango. The easy stuff, the stuff that's good. Everyone likes that.
What's my favorite ice cream flavor?
You should be able to guess this. We just got ice cream.
Cookies and cream.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
That is not ready yet.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Mixing it with my hands because it's stuck on my hand.
Yeah, you can mix it with your hands. It'd probably be better. You don't like chocolate, do you? Vanilla?
No.
Strawberry? I'm gonna just keep guessing.
Honey, it's the same yours.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Cookies and cream.
On a free day, I generally A, sleep late, B, get up at a normal time, C, get up earlier.
Mine is so easy.
You sleep late, don't you?
Yeah. I sleep real late.
What I do?
Oh, you wake up at a regular time. Or early.
Not anymore. I've been I've been just waking up at 10.
That's regular time though. I be waking up at like 12 or 1.
But supposed to about that because 8 is kind of nice. It's really nice. Okay, so you can see some glitter. You want some more? No, I think that's good for now. So do we put this on the side? I will make that.
What is your nickname for me?
I don't have a nickname for you. I just call you Angie.
I don't have a nickname for you either.
What do you admire most about me?
Yeah, you're kind of like, you're very fearless. Like, you'll do anything. You don't really care what other people think, and like.
Wow.
Yeah. I admire that because I wish I was that way. That I didn't really care that much because you're very much like care about your own opinion and the people close to you, not very much like what other people think about you.
Yeah, I get.
Which I admire.
I admire a lot of things about you.
Wow.
You're like very mature,
Oh, thank you.
and I'm not very mature. So.
What is my idea of a dream vacation? Of a dream vacation? Maybe yours is any destination with adventures. Like anywhere you could like actually explore, not just like sit still. You know? Yeah. So like, I don't know, maybe I feel like you would like the desert and stuff because like you'd be able to like explore and like a whole new culture and everything. You know? Like where though? The desert, a forest. You know what I mean? Like a beach, but like with like a lot of like somewhere with a lot of activities. Like, because you can't. I feel like you get bored sitting still very often.
Do I prefer chick flicks comedies, or horror films?
Do you even like? I feel like you like horror a lot, don't you? No?
Not really.
Comedy. You like comedy, right?
Yeah.
I feel like comedy's like your. Mine's.
Comedy. Or are you a chick person?
I like chick flicks a lot, but a lot of comedy and action. I'm putting more shaving cream.
What is my go-to beverage order?
Do you have a go-to drink? I don't know your go-to drink. This isn't much slime. This is like stretchy slime.
I don't have a go-to drink. Water.
Yeah, you drink water a lot.
I've been making mori soñando a lot lately.
Oh, I think I messed up the slime.
Did you put shaving cream?
Yeah.
That is so bad.
Why?
Oh my gosh. That's a lot. This is, guys, I don't know if you see this. That's a lot of shaving cream.
Oh, wow. So pretty.
Who takes longer to get dressed and ready?
Angie.
Yeah, definitely me.
Where was I born?
Where was what?
Where was I born?
You were born in New York, Patterson.
Yeah. And you were born in Rhode Island. In New
Bye,
York, New York.
Bye, bye,
New York.
bye, bye, bye.
But you live. But you
New
live.
best friend application, please, because what is this?
You were born-
Goodbye. Nope.
You were
Nope.
born in New York.
Nope. What part? You don't know what part, do you? Nope.
Manhattan?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, okay, I knew that. I knew that.
What are your best friend's hobbies? What's your hobby? My hobby? I'm just painting your nails a lot. I'm used to, yeah. I still like to, but I just haven't in a really long time, like a year. This is hard.
Karla's hobby. You just like to hang out with your friends a lot. That's from what I know.
Yeah.
Like, I don't. There's no like hobby. There's no specific. Well, other than video games, but that's like a hobby we have together. I feel like.
Yeah.
We need more borax. This is not enough.
What Netflix series have you and your best friend binged?
The 100.
The 100.
100%. The 100. We binge watch that together every time.
We did the Once Upon a Time.
Yeah, we binge watched Once Upon a Time and the 100. I think that's the one that that was like our show.
Yeah.
Like we would wait for each other to watch the 100 all the time. Which is a great show, by the way. I fully recommend.
Yep. Mhm. Wow.
What color are your best friend's eyes?
Brown.
Brown.
Who is more likely?
Yeah, you're like kind of a light brown, but not too light. But not
It's like
a dark-
medium.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna need more borax.
We need more water.
You're at your friend's favorite fast food restaurant. What is it and what do they order? I don't even know. I feel like you eat Taco Bell a lot. I don't. Angie, what the freak? I don't know. I have no idea. Guys, we see each other like, what, on the weekends? Yeah. We don't really like, we don't see each other much anymore. Yeah. Just because we've been busy with life, life been kicking our butts. And if we do see each other, we're never like out to get fast food. No, we're always hanging out at somebody's house. Yeah, like at each other's houses. That's how it is. That's how it be. Because they spend quality time with each other. Add borax to that. To this? Yeah. This is water, right? Right? Yeah, add a lot of borax to this. What is the most random thing you both have done together? That's it.
What?
Huh?
What is the most random thing you have both done together?
Oh my gosh! Remember when we went on that hunt for the geo boxes?
Oh yeah, we went on hunts for geo boxes. Is that what they're called?
I don't even know, but we went on a hunt for some, and we never find it. But it's okay.
What do you eat for breakfast?
What did you eat? For
Cereal.
I ate cereal too. Oh, did I? Yeah, I did.
No, I'm saying you had cereal.
Oh, you didn't eat cereal? What did you have? Bread?
Yeah. And coffee. Okay.
What year was your friend born?
2001.
2.
Oh, 2002. We're 2 days apart.
I
don't know
need
why
a new
I
best
did another one.
friend. I need a new best friend. Don't Cindy. I need a new best friend. I need a new best friend. Head out the door. Get out. You know what? Bye. Ooh, don't go in there.
What is your best friend's Subway order?
We don't know.
I don't know. I don't really eat Subway.
Putting it together, this giant slime. Oh, you want to put glitter? More glitter in this one?
I tried, but it won't stay. Like, you can't see it.
Wait, okay, I'm gonna open it and you put some glitter in it. I'm gonna try to
Okay.
mix it in. Put a lot of glitter though, because there's a lot of.
Do I have any scars and where are they?
You have scars, Angie?
Yeah, I have one on my head.
Oh,
Yeah.
I remember. Yeah.
Explain it.
So didn't she like fall or something and bust her head and got stapled?
Yeah, when I was like 3, I fell and my head hit a boiler really, really hard. And I have to get staples. I still have the scar on my head, but you can't see it because my hair is obviously covering it, but yeah.
Do I have any scars?
I don't think so.
I mean, yeah.
I mean, like tiny scars, but not like any.
Invisible? No. But I have a scar on my arm, kind of. Do you know why?
No. You fell off a bike? Wait, you can't even ride a bike. Can you? Oh, wait, no, we used to ride bikes together. Wow, I'm so dumb.
New best friend application, please, bro. Please. Cindy,
No more memories.
switch places, please. Switch places. I want to eat it.
No.
I'm not going to eat it, but I want to eat it. Don't it look weird? Like, don't even...
Well, if you don't see Karla for a while, we know what happened.
What is your best friend's name on your phone?
Angie with an emoji. What emoji though?
You have... See,
You have
yours
the
is
yellow
same.
heart emoji.
Yours is Karla, and you have the little twins.
Oh!
Yeah, you have the little twins emoji.
So I think that's the end of this video. Please subscribe, like, and comment. What?
How did you do the hand thing?
Please turn on your post notifications. And we're cruising on out, y'all. Bye.